Hi again. Now that you've been able to access Brightspace in your own board, this is how you're going to be able to access your course. Now, again, when you're going to access your e-learning course that's offered by the GECDSB, if you are a non-GECDSB student, you are first going to have to log into your own Brightspace instance for your board. So if you're in another board, you're going to access Brightspace in that board like you always would. And then the way that you're going to find the GECDSB e-learning course is in your My Courses and Other Orgs widget. Now this widget will live along the right hand side of your homepage right here. In most boards, that's where it is. If you can't find it, contact your local e-learning support in your board to help you find it. But once you log into your board, you'll see your board's homepage. This is the Greater Essex homepage. But on your board homepage, you're going to look for the My Courses and Other Orgs widget, and you'll see a link there to the course then offered by the Greater Essex County District School Board, and that's how you're going to access your course.